Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the weed stash in GTA Online. First, you'll need to dive into the exciting world of the first dose missions. Completing all 6 of these missions is your initial step to unlocking a powerful mobile business. Once those are done, you'll acquire the Brickade 6x6 truck. Then, for a fee of $750,000, you can transform it into your very own acid lab, ready to produce your valuable product. To truly maximize your earnings, an essential upgrade awaits. After completing 10 Fooligan jobs for Dax, you'll unlock the Acid Lab equipment upgrade. This vital investment costs $250,000, but it's well worth it. With this upgrade, your production speed will increase by 33%, and the value of your product will jump by over 41%, making your business much more profitable. Keeping your Acid Lab stocked is key to continuous profit. You have 2 main options for supplies. Either purchase them from Mutt for $60,000 or embark on engaging supply missions to acquire them for free. Remember, with the equipment upgrade, you'll need about 1.6 full resupplies to fill your entire stock. Also, don't forget to activate the daily production boost inside your lab for a temporary surge in output. When it's time to sell your hard-earned stash, smart strategies can boost your income. A fully upgraded Acid Lab can yield over $335,000 for a full stock. For an extra 5% bonus, simply name your product through the interaction menu. All sales missions are designed for solo play, using a single, fast delivery motorbike, ensuring efficient and profitable deliveries across the city.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.